So, in this class, we are going to know about net force and free body diagrams. Net force and free body diagrams. Net force is nothing but the total force. What is net force? Net force is nothing but the total force. Net force is nothing but the total force. Children, for example, there is a body. On this body, there are so many forces acting on the body. Let's say F1, F2, F3, F4 and F5. Okay, and also A, B, C, D, E, R. These are the total forces acting on a particular body. Okay, and if we consider F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, these forces are acting in horizontal direction, and A, B, C, D, E are acting in vertical direction. So here the forces acting on the body in two axes, on x-axis and on y-axis. So we call it as horizontal, vertical, horizontal forces and vertical forces. So horizontal forces, what are the horizontal forces here? Horizontal forces are F1, F2, F3, F4 and F5. Whereas the vertical forces are A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so here we will get that net force in two axes, horizontal axis and vertical axis. That means x-axis and y-axis. So on x-axis, that means which forces we are finding out? Horizontal. In horizontal direction, the net force we have to find out. Okay, so observe clearly that. Yes, Preeti. So here we have to find out the forces acting in horizontal direction. Remember, here the direction is important. What it is? Direction is important. So here if you observe that we have two directions in horizontal direction, towards left and towards the right. Here F1 is acting towards right. So under right I am writing F1. So F1 is acting towards right side. So under right side I am writing F1. And F2 is also acting towards right side. So F2. But here F3, F4 and F5 are acting towards left side. So F3, F4 and F5. So these are the forces acting in opposite directions. Towards right side F1 and F2, towards left side F3, F4 and F5. So here we have to find out the net force. Net force is nothing but the final force, total force acting in final direction, which means, so here F1 F2 is acting towards right side and F3 F4 and F5 acting towards left side. So here the net force is F net. So the net force is F net is equal to, we have to subtract the greater force minus the lower force. That means F3 plus F4 plus F5 minus F1 plus F2. This is a possible case when F3, F4, F5 is added and the sum is greater than F1 plus F2, then the net force is F3 plus F4 plus F5 minus F1 plus F2. But in the second case, F net is equal to, if F1 plus F2 is greater than F3 plus F4 plus F5, then the net force is F1 plus F2 minus F3 plus F4 plus F5. These are the two cases. Case 1, if left hand side forces are greater than right hand side, so we have to subtract that left hand forces, sum of left hand forces minus sum of right hand forces. Or if right hand forces are greater than left hand side forces, then we have to subtract the left hand side from right hand side. That means sum of right hand side forces minus sum of left hand side forces. In this way we can find out that net force in horizontal direction. In horizontal direction. Now net force in vertical direction. Net force in vertical direction. So vertical direction means x axis, y axis. So vertical direction. In vertical direction it is also having two faces. That means upside force and downside force. So here I am writing upside and downside. So here upside force, how many forces are acting in upward direction? Find out. A downward, B downward, D downward, E downward, and but C is only acting in upward direction. So the vertical force in upward direction is C only. Whereas in downward direction, all the A, B, D, E are acting in downward direction. So here also it is having two cases. We don't know which force is greater. Which force is greater? Maybe C may be greater than A plus B plus D plus E, or C may be lower than A plus B plus D plus E. So that it is also having two cases. Case 1, net force is equal to A plus B plus D plus E minus C minus C. This is a case when downward side force, down force is greater than upper force. This is the case when downside force is greater than upper side force, upward force. Downward force is greater than upward force. And case 2, if upward force is greater than sum of all the downward forces, then net force is equal to C minus A plus B plus D plus E. This is the case when upward force is greater than downward force. When upward force is greater than downward force. Okay? It is regarding net force. Let's check an example problem based upon this net force. Okay? Now coming to the example problem. So the example is like, so it is a free body diagram. It is a free body diagram. To this free body diagram, The forces are acting in both horizontal and vertical direction. So 5 newtons, 15 newtons, okay, and in this direction 12 newtons, 13 newtons, no, let's say 7 newtons, okay, and in vertical direction also the force acting in vertical direction, let's say 6, 7, 8, 5, 3 newtons. So it is the question. So how can we find out the net forces based on the previous data? So the net force is acting in first case 1, horizontal direction, or it is horizontal direction. So in horizontal direction, if we check 5 newtons, 15 newtons acting in one direction, 12 newtons and 7 newtons acting in opposite direction. Now 12 plus 7, 19, but 15 plus 5, 20. So that here 20 is greater than 19. So we must subtract net force is equal to F net is equal to, in horizontal direction, net force is equal to 15 plus 5 minus 12 plus 7. Why? Because here 15 plus 5 is greater than 12 plus 7. So that 20 minus 19, that is equal to 1 Newton is the force acting in horizontal direction towards the right side. Towards right side. Why it is towards right side? Because 5 plus 15 is greater than 12 plus 7, 19. So that 20 newtons is greater than 19 newtons. So 20 minus 19. So that we will get that 1. So that 1 Newton force is acting towards the right side. Right. Next, in vertical direction. Next one is about vertical. Okay. In vertical direction, let's check. 6 newtons, 7 newtons acting in downward direction, and also 3 newtons is also acting in downward direction. 6 plus 7, 13, plus 3, 16. So that 16 is greater than 13. So that net force in vertical direction is 6 plus 7 plus 3 minus 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. How much? So that is equal to 16 minus 13, that is equal to 3 newtons. 3 newtons towards downwards. 3 newtons towards downwards. So in this way we can find out that net force regarding this. Okay. So I will give a question. Do this as a homework for the net force.